What is going on, everybody? So today I'm just going to be doing a quick tutorial on how to use the touchscreen on the AWOK Touch V2 board. For here, JustcallmeKoko changed it up a little bit, so apparently some people are having some issues. But anyways, as you can see on the screen, it's sectioned in 3 different parts. There's a top rectangle, a middle rectangle, and a bottom rectangle. So when you tap the top rectangle, it's gonna scroll up. When you tap the bottom rectangle, it's gonna scroll down, and when you tap the center, it's gonna hit select. Okay, so as you can see, pretty simple, just similar to your D-pad. You scroll down by tapping down, okay, and then when you want to select something, you hit the select in the center, and then when you want to get out, you just tap the screen again and then tap the top to go up. So it's super simple. I figured I just do a quick tutorial because it seems like there are some people out there that are a little confused and don't know the controls. So, but anyways, that's it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. Leave a like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.